Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this Fogborg 3. This is a standard solar ramp. That's a good thing for your solar powered balcony power plant, for example, because time saving with every installation. Time is money. We have here a complete system in one box, ready to get started. And it's easy to assemble, easy to attach. The Fogborg 3 offers a quick and easy installation of solar panels on flat roofs and the ground. This turnkey system provides a reliable and cost-effective solution for our solar energy projects. It's all suitable for us. The installation on flat roofs and the ground is possible by using such Fogborg 3. The orientation is the landscape orientation for our panels. The tight angle is 17 degrees. This is the perfect tilt for our panels. The panel dimension, height 28 up to 50 milliliter, length 1650 to 2280 millimeter, and the width is 926 to 1150 millimeter. So you see it's compatible to a lot of solar panels out there. And it's at standards development according to European standards. So you can easy peasy make this possible to make a good flat roof or installation in the garden system for that. You see, that's possible with the Fogborg 3. This is standard solar RAM, and you can easily install it, of course, because you're going to tighten two parts of it on each side of the solar panel, and after this you can go and attach the mounting system, this ramp on it. Then go to the area you like to use the ramp or the solar panel, and then you can add concrete plates to it on 4 points each, and then it stands in position and it will stay there and holds the best tilted energy out of the solar panel out by using the Fogborg 3 standard solar ramp. Easy peasy baby for your solar panels. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.